Senator Alvarado Gil, you are recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Colleagues and honored guests who join us in the gallery and via live feed, I rise with solemn duty to request that we adjourn the State Senate in memory of the lives lost on February 17th of this year, when an avalanche struck the deadliest in modern California history and one of the deadliest in the United States. Amid the beautiful landscape of the California Sierra Mountains are painted trails of wild backcountry skis that invite avid outdoorsmen and women in some of the most angelic scenery that our state has to offer. On this blustery Tuesday, dense layers of new snowfall blanketed the sloping mountains during an extreme winter storm, causing a catastrophic avalanche to strike a guided group of skiers returning from the Frog Lake backcountry huts near Truckee. The 9 were all passionate, knowledgeable adventurers with a deep-seated love and respect for these majestic mountains. So let us remember them fondly as we recognize them today. Andrew Alessandrados, a 34-year-old Tampa native living in Verde, Nevada. Ottawa-born adventurer Nicole Nikki Chu, age 42, of South Lake Tahoe, California, remembered as an advocate for diversity in outdoor sports and for her adventurous spirits, often stating that one must risk it all to get the biscuit. Michael Henry, age 30, of Tampa Bay, Florida, living in Truckee, California. All 3 were skilled professionals with Blackbird mountain guides and friends who shared many mountain adventures together. Their loss is being felt throughout the mountain communities and among the outdoor enthusiasts across the northern continent. Our most sincerest condolences go out to their families and loved ones. A close-knit group of 6 Bay Area moms who bonded together through their love for the outdoors and their children. The women have ventured out to the Tahoe region on regular trips and were experienced skiers. We remember them as wives, daughters, sisters, and friends who cherished their time together in the mountains. Sisters Liz Claybaugh and Caroline Sakar. Liz was 52 years old and was coming to visit us from Boise, Idaho. And Miss Caroline Sakar, age 45, of Soda Springs, living in San Francisco. Her husband, Mr. Kieran Sakar, describes her, his wife of 20 years, as a woman who spread joy and enthusiasm to her circle of friends, her children's school, and her neighborhood. Carrie Atkin, age 46, of Soda Springs, California. She often volunteered in her daughter's 4th grade classroom and coached her son's middle school cross-country and track teams. She is also survived by her husband, Pete Aiken. Danielle Keatley, age 44, of Soda Springs, also living in Larkspur, California. She worked in the biotech industry and opened a winery with her husband. Kate Morse, age 45, of Soda Springs, also living in Tiburon, California. She also worked in the biotechnology field. And Catherine Vitt, age 43, of Green Bay, California, a mother of 2 elementary students. Ms. Vitt worked as a vice president in product operations and customer success at Sirius XM. She is also survived by her husband, Jeff Vitt. Many of the victims of this tragedy knew the Sierra Mountains as their home or cherished outdoors retreat. This loss unites us in grief and reminds us of nature's vast power. It highlights the risk we accept in pursuing what we love and the need for vigilance, preparation, and respect for the Sierra's unpredictable conditions. I've seen deep sorrow mixed with incredible resilience, candlelight vigils throughout the district in Truckee, Soda Springs, and the Bay Area. Neighbors rallying with meals and memorials, shared stories of the victims' love of the mountains and their roles as guides, parents, and friends. The response from the local community shows the unbreakable spirit of our mountain towns. To the families, loved ones, and friends that are witnessing this today, we hold you close in our thoughts and prayers, and we join you in mourning the loss and offer our most sincerest condolences. May the memories of their beauty, laughter, and passion for life inspire us all to cherish every moment as a blessing. So with a heavy heart Mr. President, and colleagues, I move that the California State Senate adjourn in the memory of Andrew Alessandrados, Carrie Atkin, Nicole Nikki Chu, Lizbeth Liz Claybaugh, Michael Henry, Danielle Keatley, Kate Morse, Carolyn Sakar, and Catherine Vitt. Thank you.
Such a tragic disaster. Please bring the names forward to the desk so they may be properly recognized.